In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep track of all of your most important keywords right from within WordPress. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Today, I'm going to show you how to track your keywords right from within WordPress. First thing we need to do is install All-in-One SEO. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at AIOSEO.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. All right, so now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed, let's head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left and click on the link that says Search Statistics. Search Statistics is our powerful Google Analytics integration that brings in the most relevant Google Analytics data related to how you are performing in search, and it takes that data and brings it right here in WordPress. So you're in the same interface where you are empowered to do something with that data. If you find out you've got a certain page that's slipping in the rankings, you can open up that page and make some edits to it right away and work on your SEO for that page. We have another video that dives into all of the features in search statistics. You should see a link popping up that video right about now. And that video will dive into everything you see here on the dashboard, as well as everything in the SEO statistics tab, the content rankings tab, and some settings. But for the purposes of this video, we are going to look at the Keyword Rank Tracker tab. So within the Keyword Rank Tracker tab, there's two options here. There's two sub-tabs, Rank Tracker and All Keywords. Click on All Keywords. We have our position for all of the keywords on this website, search impressions, our average position. This is just a demo site, so the fact that it's ranking for anything at all is pretty impressive. And if we scroll down, we have all the keywords we're ranking for. You can also check out the top losing and top winning keywords. Click on top winning, for example. We can see that this is bumped up 5 points in our proprietary algorithm for best WordPress image compression and 1 point for best WordPress image compression plugins. But let's go ahead and click on over on Rank Tracker again. So if you've got a big-ish website, you're probably ranking for all sorts of keywords, even stuff outside of your niche that you're not trying to rank for, and that's great. Any traffic coming over from search is welcome traffic, I'm sure, but you probably have a handful of keywords that you want to keep an eye on. So what Keyword Rank Tracker does is just help you to stay focused and stay organized, stay on top of your SEO efforts, and keep an eye on those keywords. So the first thing we see here is I'm tracking 4 keywords currently. So this is showing me by position for these 4 keywords, how many search impressions those keywords have gotten since I added them, the average click-through rate. We can see below the 4 keywords I'm tracking are best WordPress image compression, men's basketball shoes, SEO title, and image SEO. So that's all of the keywords that I'm tracking on this site. That's not all the keywords that I rank for. Those are just the 4 that I chose to keep an eye on. We click on the Groups tab. I have two groups. I have favorited, which is auto-created by All-in-One SEO as soon as you favorite a keyword, and I have SEO related. My SEO related group has SEO title and image SEO, and my favorited group has best WordPress image compression. So as you can see, Keyword Rank Tracker is very straightforward, simple tool to use. You add your keywords, and then you can track them here, keep an eye on them, and get different statistics about them. We are on the Keyword Rank Tracker tab, Rank Tracker subtab under Groups. If we click on Keywords, we'll get this blue button here that says Add Keywords. So let me show you how to get here once more just from the dashboard. So we're just going to go to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left and click on Search Statistics, and then click on Keyword Rank Tracker. That brings you right here where you can add keywords. I'm going to go ahead and do that and click Add Keywords. There's three ways that you can add keywords to Keyword Tracker. You can type them in here. You can pull the focus keywords / focus key phrase from any post or page on your WordPress website that you have added a focus key phrase to in All-in-One SEO. Or, third way, you could pull in from a CSV file. So I'm going to start with this focus keywords button first. Let's click on that. And I don't have a lot of focus keywords set on this website. There's only 5 here, including men's basketball shoes on 3 different pages. So if I selected any one of those, if you have the same focus key phrase for more than one piece of content, which you should not, you should have different focus key phrases. But if you selected one of them, it will select all of them because it's the same focus key phrase, and we could import that in. TOC demo, that doesn't make much sense for a key phrase. Neither does I love puppies. Well, let's pull in woodworking course. So I simply select it, click import, and then click the Add Keywords button. And now woodworking course has been added to my list of keywords. So that's why we see 5 total keywords here when I had 4 before. If I scroll down, I can see those 5 keywords, and I've just added woodworking course. That favorited group that I showed you earlier, if you want to add an item to the favorited group, simply click star, and that item will be added to that favorited group. Also be starred here in this list and easier to see. So if I scroll back up, I'm going to show you another way to add keywords. And click that Add Keyword button again. And then the other way is just to add them manually. So let's say I had a black t-shirt. I want to be a little bit more specific than black t-shirt. So I'm going to say men's slim fit black t-shirt. And just click the Add Keyword button. And now that has been added to my list. That's why we have 6 now instead of 5. Men's slim fit black t-shirt. The third way, I'm going to click Add Keywords again, is to add keywords from a CSV file. So I'm going to click CSV file. If you don't have a CSV file of keywords, you can download a sample CSV file right here just by clicking that link. I do have one, so I'm going to go ahead, choose that file. And then my keyword CSV file is called t-shirts. It just has 3 different t-shirt related keywords in it. So let's go ahead and double click that. And then just click the import button. And there's the 3 keywords that came from my CSV file: blue t-shirt, red t-shirt, white t-shirt. I'll go ahead and add those keywords. So those are the 3 ways to add keywords to Keyword Tracker. Again, you don't want to go overboard here because the point is to keep an eye on the keywords most important to you. So we're not trying to add all the keywords, just the ones we want to keep an eye on. The Groups tab and the concept of groups can also make it a little bit easier to stay organized. So if I click on that Groups tab, I can create a group of keywords to keep similar keywords together. So let's do that with those t-shirt related keywords. I'm going to click Create Group. I'm going to call this group name T-shirts. And then if I just click in this Type to Search box, I don't have that many keywords on this website, so I could just start scrolling here, but you could also type in the word t-shirt, and there's all of my t-shirt related keywords. So I'm going to add red t-shirt, blue t-shirt. You just keep clicking and you can keep adding them. Men's slim fit black t-shirt. I think we also had white t-shirt. So that's going to be my t-shirts keywords group. Click Create Group. And now we are not only tracking those 9 or so individual keywords, but I've also got a handful of groups that I can track as well. So my groups are t-shirts, favorited, and SEO related. And that's all there is to it. That's how you use Keyword Tracker. You can add keywords that are important to you and your business, create groups of keywords, and keep a close eye on them so you can improve your SEO for the keywords most important to you. So that's how to track all of your most important keywords right within WordPress. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to build internal links fast using Link Assistant. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, all-in-one SEO.